Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. And I'm actually there over, where we say there now, Prestige Mall. Over here, so Ricardo place still. Kilimani. But already come them side a regular.
Village Market and Prestige Mall and this place. Social Mall. You know, like the mall living up.
Yeah. How are you, Rich?
So,
yeah.
I'll show you around there.
Food court, where the food court there, Ricardo?
Food court upstairs, let's go there.
Stay in the car. Alright, okay.
Listen. Because I have somewhere to go, you know.
Do the branch, alright, cool. Alright, cool. Yeah, family, so with the Prestige Mall, we found some other Jamaican brother. You know what I mean? And as you can see, Prestige Mall, it seems like it's a nice mall. They want me to down here so still at the car. I think I like car that right there so still anyways. The Mazda there?
Really?
They're the far end. Yeah.
Where's the food court?
Yeah. Well no, they might come down. They say they might come down.
You might come there and get them.
Yeah. Alright so. You see boy Ricardo know the place. Here place this one.
This one, this is my man.
They have nice verse in there so and stuff.
You know about reggae and dance.
Yeah, let me check it. Let me check if the thing there what me I look for. The walking stick. Yeah, let me check it out. I look for some walking stick. Hello. Yes, boss.
Sorry.
I'm looking for walking stick.
Walking stick, huh?
Walking stick.
What size stick?
Ah, wow. Take a picture of this. Take a picture of this one. Send it to somebody. This is the only style you have?
No, he has many.
He has many. Alright, let me see different style. Let's get yeah, family. So I've been looking for walking stick. You know what I mean? I have some client. Wow, this one is nice. Yeah, this one. Take a picture of the Ricardo so we can send it. Yeah. So I've been looking for some walking stick. We have another one here. So coming into this is like it's like a nice thing, family. So we actually inside. What do you call this place? Prestige. Prestige Mall. And we have a lot of Masai Market. Yeah. The Masai Market in town when it open. The one in town. Tuesday?
Town.
No, the one in Nairobi, Masai Market in Nairobi.
Saturday.
Only on Saturday?
Yeah.
Okay, so only
Saturday and Sunday.
Saturday and Sundays, okay, alright, so I'll get that information. Yeah, family, so we're there and we have a lot of stuff here, family. And a lot of people in the States, they want to buy things here and ship it up to sell to the diaspora in Kenya. So people in Kenya want to get them stuff, they can get it. So this is it, family. How much for one of these stick? And I mean,
You got it.
my wife is a 1-0, so I want Kenyan price. I'm a Kenyan. Kenyan price.
That one I give you 4,000.
Yeah, alright, family. So, you know what I mean? This is the Masai Market, and this is the Prestige Mall. And we have Nivers over there, so. And we have the food court. So, what I will do.
Nice cane juice.
Oh, what is so? Yeah. Yeah. So, family, next we come back next time.
Yeah, man.
Come check out the mall and show you where they have and things.
Sure.
But for now,
the theater upstairs
and stuff.
bounce over here.
Yeah. Yeah, but as you know, guys, we actually in a business move right now. We have 2 other Jamaican bread over there, so wait for we. For my reason and thing. So we're gonna go up and a move. Why? We brought the stoplight first time. Yeah, from over there, yeah. Yeah, family. So we're at the upper hill, and this is the view of the upper hill. Running errands and business in Nairobi with our Jamaican brothers. Here in Kenya, so we at Upper Hill. Yeah, right in the stadium. This is Nairobi, Kenya.
Why?
Yeah,
I think it's a boy. You know? A big man thing.
Yeah.
And then, you know.
Yeah.
That's why I wanted to do the farm. You know, people
Yeah, you should be here doing this as a YouTuber. Introduce a name. Okay, so hello guys, my friend here, that guy over there, his name is Ramesh. Yeah, he's a YouTuber. So his channel is Jump Tour Africa. So he wants to shot a little clippings if it's okay.
Yeah, it's fun.
Yeah, you know, the Rum family now, so yeah. So maybe you guys can. You ask a question. Yeah, it's YouTube. It's you. I'm gonna go work in the kitchen. Yeah. If I stay here, I get drunk. So right now they have some interesting flavors of rum that's in Kenya that we've never seen before. As you can see, the finest, purest quality rum.
From Haiti.
See? Damn. Simple as these rum look, they're dangerous. It tastes good, get you carried away, but that's the trick about it. It's a creeper. They said it's like medicine. So how do you, tell me about you, you're a bartender, right?
I'm a bartender. I go by the name Rum Bishop. I mean, I'm all
Rum
about
Bishop?
rum. Yeah, Rum
Oh my
Bishop.
God,
man.
Rum Bishop.
I mean, I drink rum for a living. Get paid to taste rum for a living.
Yeah?
Make cocktails with rum. And of course, get to expose guys on much more about rum because there's so much about rum. We're not
Yeah.
talking about the Captain Morgan type of rum. We're talking about high ester. We're talking about funky. We're talking
Yeah.
about flavors, man.
And you make your own rum?
I mean, I get to go around the world because of rum, so.
Yeah, because of rum?
Yeah,
That's a
because
good
of
job.
rum. It's a
Drinking
best
and
job.
traveling.
Drinking and
Good job.
traveling. All along.
All along.
Yeah.
Yeah, tell me about you. Well, not really much, but like, what about think about the rum? I just need to know about the rum.
Need to know
The
about
feeling,
rum.
yeah. The
You need to
feeling
know
they give
about
you.
rum.
What's the difference between this rum and the rum that's in Kenya?
Rum that you find in Kenya. So this one here is from Haiti. So you get from pure sugarcane juice, very traditional way of making it.
Yeah.
Most of the rums that you find here in Kenya would be from molasses, which is completely different rum. So
Yeah.
this is something that you will not get here at all.
Yeah.
Now you have some very high quality rums. On the table here, we call this Clarin.
Clarence?
Clarin.
The Clarin,
We have
yeah.
some Jamaican rum here as well. From
Jamaica rum in the building.
So it's like
yeah, we
high
haven't had Jamaica rum in a
ester-
long time.
High ester kind of rums, and with that Jamaican funk, and then you get some rum from Barbados right here. Is there one?
The Caribbean thing?
Yeah. One from Barbados right there.
Yeah.
Which is as well some very high quality rum. So those are what this is what you can get here right now. So
Straight up, straight up.
Caribou Kenya.
Caribou, Kenya. Yeah, man. Any one of you ladies have something to share about the rum? What do you feel it tastes? Like, which one is your favorite? Which one do you recommend to anyone? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, she's not drinking rum. She's drinking. Jamaican juice. Just Jamaican juice she's drinking. So, what do you think about the rum?
I can highly recommend it to mix rum with Coke. And
With Coke?
Another.
Okay. Professional is talking now. Listen, guys.
Yeah, but really, which one was the second one which we tried today? Yeah. So from today's spirits which we tried, this one is my favorite.
That's our favorite. So let me see your favorite so people can check it out.
Yeah, not so hard, but
Not so hard. It's
it's
not rough.
57.5%.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's high, but in taste it's really good.
It's really good. Okay, and what do you think about the Jamaican food?
Oh, really amazing.
Really amazing.
I love Platon. I think I
Oh,
have to
okay.
take away Platon too.
All right, then. More fire, more fire. Do you eat something?
Yes, I did eat and I loved rums and sorrel juice as well.
The sorrel juice. You like the Jamaican sorrel juice? Yeah, man. Every Christmas we have that with rum in it.
This is for Christmas time.
Every Christmas, every special time in Jamaica, in Christmas celebration, we have that.
Okay, really nice.
Yeah.
Really like the kick, the ginger kick.
Yeah, man.
I
The
love
kick.
this one the most.
You love this one the most?
Yeah.
Why? What's so special about that one?
The burnt flavor, like the real.
Oh, yo, when she talk about the burnt flavor, you know she's not an apprentice.
Still, and I would definitely not mix anything with any of the rums.
Yeah,
The way they are.
on the rocks.
Straight up, straight up.
Straight off, man.
Straight on the rocks.
Tongue and it's really nice.
All right.
Love it.
I think you have your favorite here also.
I mean, every bottle is my favorite. I mean, every bottle has a story.
This is still chill. It's chill.
It's chill. So do you have a favorite? Do you have a favorite?
My favorite is the clenase juice.
Let me see this one. Her favorite also.
This one.
Okay. Okay.
可以一滴，可以一滴。
Okay. So you guys are having fun. 80. I know you love 80. Okay, so I guess you already have your favorite. Cause you just drink any rum.
I drink all rums.
All rums.
Now the thing is, yeah, of course, you grew up with a certain culture. You grew up with a certain taste.
Yeah.
And of course, clenase is one of my favorite things.
Yeah.
In the world, and it brings me back home.
Good,
It
good.
brings me back home.
Question I want to ask: Where can we get these rum? Like, where can we get these rum here? Hello.
These rum here in Kenya, it will be very difficult. However,
We check the
we're
careful.
trying to get it there. We're trying to get it here so
Okay,
that
we
we grow
come.
the culture. Grow the culture here in Kenya of rum. This is the best thing to do because you know, it's like from Tortuga rum bar to all of this right now. We're just trying to grow the culture here in Kenya about rum because most people know rum through some of the bigger brands that are not necessarily bringing the best quality of their own rum in Kenya.
Yeah, we need some
Because
Caribbean
they're
rum.
focused more on cocktails and things like that.
Yeah,
So
especially for real.
People need to know that you have quality rum to sip.
Yes. So we need some good Caribbean rum in Kenya. Because Kenya like the Caribbean culture, especially Jamaican culture.
Exactly.
So if we have some Caribbean rum, we can show them. You can't leave, okay, we will bring the rum to you guys. This is what it tastes like. We taste yours, taste ours.
Exactly.
And we really need to get some rum from Poland because there's no rum here from Poland. Do Poland have their own rum?
But we don't have any room from Poland.
But what is special?
They don't have
Oh, that's true. No rum. I mean like alcohol. You guys have whiskey? Vodka.
And beer. Yeah.
What vodka is from Poland?
Shopping.
shopping.
Bochan.
Belvedere?
And everybody makes it there.
Yeah, really? Like chandelier, shandy, something like that. Okay, so next time if you guys are coming here, or wherever we're gonna meet in the world, bring some Poland alcohol so we can taste. This is what it's like. 'Cause I know you guys drink a lot of alcohol there, so we need to know what it's like. Yeah, Poland when it's party night, party time, people like to party, and when it's party time, people drink. So let me see what's going on.
All the good.
All good. So that's it for Jam Tour of Africa. And I'm here, your host, Chef Ricardo, aka Slogan. See you guys again. Peace, love. Peace. Peace.
Yeah.
You always have to
Yeah, family. Like, share, and comment on the video. With our Jamrock, with their reason. You know what I mean? I'm a Jamaican brother. We have some foreigner come in and check out the local food. So, you know the place is Jamrock. Come and check it out, family. It's a vibe, fish fry on a Friday, Jamaican breakfast on a Sunday. Check it out.
But even in a rum shop,
Can I make a video?
yeah, sure.
That's the bar, and that's the restaurant. Rastaman right there, so eating fish. Rastaman eating fish right there. So. You understand? Hello.
Hi.
Jam Tours Africa. Big up Jam Tours.
Say again.
Jam Tours Africa.
I can understand.
Jam Tours Africa.
I have to say that, yes?
Yes.
Jam Tour Africa. Hi.
Yes, at Jam Rock.
Say big up.
Big up.
Big up.
You take 7 dominoes.
7?
Ali, I got teacher, right?
Mine said domino goddess, you know.
So you take 7.
The owner fear.
Hold them like this. Look.
Like that? Okay.
Who told you?
Who started?
He started, so it's your turn. Yeah, the drop are going up. It look like it's solid though.
I'm put solid feet, yeah. DJI Asmo.
You play. Cameraman.
Oh yeah, teacher something.
Yeah, my teacher.
Alright.
Mr. Al Green.
Yeah, Jam Rock. On a Thursday. Tomorrow is the big fish fry.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You already know. Where you guys from?
From Poland.
Poland.
Okay, Poland.
Hard in the Poland meat yet.
I really recommend it to go to Poland.
I've never had Poland meat yet. I mean,
Never.
Yeah.
It's a first time.
I'm kicking it.
You can't carry one away.
We go do it.
Cannot carry one away. Oh, you play already?
And am I play? Yeah man, you're a player, man.
No man, you play 6-5.
And she play this and I play.
No. How many dominoes do you have?
No.
It's my turn.
No, she play this and I play this. Is your play.
No, you play.
I impose.
You play 6-5.
And my turn, right?
Yeah. Okay.
You play so she know for play domino.
Okay, I understand. When I have same.
You take them.
Okay.
That's it. And you make sure we win a game.
Not even one.
Let's check our profile, man.
Yeah.
You should know, put it away.
Tomorrow I'm doing a happy hour at the bar. I opened up. Why didn't you come down? It's well margarita.
No, not yet.
Sorry.
Not yet. What do I?
Have some margarita.
Let's try murder things. Pass.
They kick in the face.
Fields can play down there, you know. Pass.
Pass before you even.
Well, yeah, say.
Before me even play. Yeah, family, this is Jam Rock.
She have to win now.
Guarantee you don't have no play. She pass.
Yeah, I have to pass.
You know.
But you have, are you posing that?
Are you posing? So you have the school around there. School S. Yeah, family, they are all our vibes at Jam Rock.
Pass.
Alright, go on, Al. Pass.
Hey, she's got cuss already. Just blocking it out. Alright.
So, but the thing is,
You pass.
you already know what he has.
No, she doesn't.
Okay.
You know, she doesn't.
You know what he has now because
Okay. Now you get black.
How do you know?
we have to play.
Right up there.
You can play a 1.
Your time now. Yeah, your time now. That's okay.
Okay.
She won?
No.
It's not easy.
I play?
Yes, sir.
He's playing all the time. It's my first time.
Your fear?
Love band. Love band. Yeah, love band non-stop. Me love it.
Oh,
All one foot man and dance.
I remember when we were in Cuba Island.
Sometimes I may not feel like this.
Especially those older ladies. They will teach you how to count everything.
Give me liquor. And when the trouble get rough, can't pass the king.
I just follow him. So I'm not going anywhere. And wine is cooked. So now, you're trying to convince me wine is bullshit, and I'm like, bro, I know, I need to push it. Wine is just shit.
He has one plate.
Oh, you're looking at me and yeah, only if you have one in it.
I've tried to understand why it's for 10 years.
I see that.
Al, come on, take your dead domino. Because it's dead.
How much you got?
2. So this will make 3.
Yeah, like she was tasting wine and she was like, this wine is like a natural wine.
But it's not Jamaica.
You know, even when I review
Jamaica. No, Jamaica.
you think I review
That's how it's done, Jamaica.
Bro, I'm reviewing
Still around, mate. So let me feed the food. My plate?
I don't get it.
Pass.
Are you telling me?
No, but because you swap man.
Yeah. No, he won.
Orange. That's
Jamaica.